The students pursuing for the 10th board examination this year have to prepare hard for their study. Till now, you have faced some ground competition with your classmates. But this time, you will face a great competition with numerous students across the country. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Be Creative and Artistic. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips which will help you in preparing for your 10th board examinations and score highest marks in your exam. Let's begin. Number 1. Go through the syllabus. At the beginning of the new academic session, students should carefully read the entire syllabus to get an idea of the course structure. Before starting with a new chapter or unit, list down all the topics prescribed in the syllabus, so that you don't waste your time in learning the irrelevant or unnecessary topics. So preparing according to the topics and instruction mentioned in the syllabus obviously helps you crack the exam with good marks. Number 2. Study corner at home. Try to find the best quiet study place in your home where no one can make you distract. Try to avoid all entertaining gadgets like TV and radio from your study place. Make sure that proper ventilation and illumination exist at your study place. Number 3. Solve sample papers. Various sample papers and 10 years previous papers are available at the bookstores in the market. Practice the old question papers and try to solve them. It will certainly help the students for the better preparation, and students get the better idea of the format as it will appear in their board examinations. Also, make a habit of practicing the exercise questions given at the end of each topic in your textbooks. Number 4. Make brief notes. Making brief notes has been very helpful always while your preparation and study for board examinations. Always note down and make precise notes from your textbooks and reference books. Highlight important headings and formula in your notes and books as you could find easily when needed. Number 5. Revision. Now you have made your notes, it's a good time to revise these. A good revision can make your best score in board examination. Always concentrate those topics in which you are comparatively weak. Before revision, make sure that you have completed your entire syllabus. Number 6. Strength and weakness. Firstly, find out about the strengths and weaknesses. Work on your weak points or topics and try to improve them. If you find difficulties in solving some questions, you can take help from your class teachers, your classmates, your parents, and tutors. Number 7. Practice writing. At the time of examination, you will have to do a fair amount of writing. For example, when you have studied a particular answer very thoroughly, take out your rough book. Then set a timer and maintain a uniform speed of writing. Your challenge is to beat that timer which you have set up. Now this will give you a practice and help you to complete the exam in a given time period. Number 8. Stay fit. Beside a good preparation and study, rest and sleep are also essential for best learning. Follow a healthy diet while preparing for the exams. Proper exercise, meditation, and complete and comfortable sleep is must. This will help you to concentrate better in your studies and stay completely free of stress. So that's it all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, Be Creative and Artistic, and press that bell icon for my latest new uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.